G'day! If you use the eBay app and are quite often searching for things, so for example if I tap on here and type in broken, let's say I go to a certain category, let's say laptops, I go done, I'd usually have to change back to Australia for item location, change the item condition, but with a simple, and then let's say I've searched that and now I want to say search faulty. I'd have to go through and redo all those settings each time. I've discovered there's a quick and easy way to change that. If we go into customize, so if we go search what you're looking for, tap on filters, then click on the cog down the very bottom, turn on lockable filters, potentially expanded filters. I find that this makes it so much simpler to search because I can just simply put in my search terms, limit it either via price, well actually I'm not sure if I can do via price. Yep, I can search via price, lock it in at price, and can I do a buy it? Yep, I can lock that in too. So now all I need to do is change categories and change my search terms, and I can keep locking things in. So every time I rechange a certain search term, I don't have to readjust all the categories that I've got. Definitely a time saver for me. Hopefully that helps you too. For now, I'll see you later. Bye.